In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Pinterest videos without a watermark. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now let's dive right into it. First, we need to start by opening Pinterest on your laptop. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can easily find the videos you want to download. Once Pinterest is open, the next step is to find the video pin that intrigues you. You might want to search for specific topics or browse through your saved pins. When you find the video you want to download, click on it to open the pin. Once you have the video pin open, look for three little dots arranged vertically in a row on the top right corner of the pin. Click on those dots and a menu will pop up. From this menu, select the option that says Copy Link. This will copy the link to your clipboard, allowing us to continue with downloading the video. Now that you have the video link, it's time to open a new tab in Chrome. Simply click the small plus sign next to your current tab. In this new tab, you're going to search for a Pinterest video downloader. There are a lot of online tools available for this, so take a moment to find one that you trust. It's always a good idea to look for reviews or recommendations if you're uncertain. After you've found a reliable Pinterest video downloader, go ahead and open that site. You'll usually see a box that asks you to paste the link you just copied. Click in that box and use the shortcut Ctrl+Versus or Command+V on a Mac to paste your video link. After pasting the link, look for a button that says Download and click on it. The downloader will typically show you different video quality options. You may see choices like low, medium, or high quality, depending on the video itself. Choose the quality you prefer. Higher quality usually means a larger file size, so keep that in mind if storage space is a concern for you. Once you've made your selection, click on the Download button to get your video. The video will start to download to your computer. Depending on your browser settings, you may be prompted to choose a location to save the file, or it might automatically go to your Downloads folder. Once the download is complete, navigate to your Downloads folder. You can usually find this by clicking on this PC or Finder on your device, then selecting Downloads from the menu on the left. Now it's time for the fun part. Click on the downloaded video file to play it. You'll want to check whether it contains a watermark. This is important because if the original creator's video already had a watermark embedded in it, you should not attempt to remove it unless you have permission from the original creator to do so. Respecting content creators and their rights is vital in keeping the online community fair and respectful. And that's it. You've successfully downloaded a video from Pinterest without a watermark, as long as the original didn't have one, of course. Make sure to use the video responsibly and consider giving credit to the original creator if you share it elsewhere. So there you have it, a simple and effective way to download Pinterest videos directly to your laptop. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more useful content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.